Okay, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm Lighthouse. We're looking at the Moon Cool TK1 E-Trike folding, and I haven't been out on it for a while, but I have done some improvemements on it. As you might know, on the left-hand brake handle, you could never get this emergency brake on like you see I just did it. And you don't want to force it because you might break it. I've seen them broken before. This little rivet right here could be broken. Okay, now what you would need to do, mine is working now, and I'll show you that it is that you see this little screw here? It's an Allen screw, and you're going to need a Allen wrench that fits it. I'm not sure of the size. That's one thing I can't tell you, all the sizes of Allen wrenches, but I got them all, so I just backed it off and until you got some play here. When I got to the point where I could put the emergency brake on, that was good. So the right hand side didn't have a problem. Might loosen that up just a little bit more. It's still tight. The right hand side back brake, that was the front brake, never had that problem. Yeah, that's a little bit looser. Okay, let me go get the wrench and adjust that again. I want to loosen it up some more. Hopefully you can see this. And hyper tough, yes sir. Okay, anyways, and you just slide it on in like this. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing because I can't do the camera and this at the same time. Okay, it went right in. Loosen it up a little bit more. There you go. And let's see what we got. Set this over here. And do it again. Oh yeah, that's so much better. This is your emergency brake. That's your front brake. That's good.